Boya yele sama ile tawa. Mai auto te noa sa kini medisi sa na to beauty fatas. Sa fate ia na o spa ia. Malos pa inga boya sa manu ai le sama sa bikin usi pea le sila ni no.
I can't wait till I go back home. How about you guys?
Yeah, you're right, Sergeant. I'm tired of eating MRE. I want some hot meal.
Me too. I want some KFC right now. What would you be doing at this time back at home, Sergeant Key?
At this time of the day, I'll be at the park playing basketball with my kids. I really miss my family.
We only have an hour and a half to go. Then we'll be home fast asleep.
Yeah, I can't wait. I'm very tired. Hey, look! I see something moving. He found a fire!
Maya o penai pere ti tama rumah masani. O penai no pale di tai. Dapat ia o ia e tutu mai le pai toa. Ni sia li mamal mai malo. Ola o fa o mai le tala pa no no na. Tu sai mo fa le de o ia de tama. Espera se sim.
Son, veis que está la ley ahí.
Ma Lord soi foi a te ortina. Ua ma sole vale inga mai lo mauta ele neito was. Tina. Ia e lo tele.
Oh no.
Ua ma o mai pari. Ua ma niu shiotoru.
There must be a mistake. There must be a mistake.
I'm sorry to inform you that you're not doing it.
God.
Are the food?
You know?
Food is a very good dish.
with peace.
If you put your trust in Jesus and let Him have His way, you'll find peace, perfect peace today.
You'll find peace, perfect peace today.